Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to activate Cash App Card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone and go to the Cash Card section. If you haven't ordered a Cash App card yet, you can request one from this page. Once your physical card arrives in the mail, return to the Cash Card section, where you'll see the Activate button. Tap on it. Cash App will ask for camera permission so it can scan the QR code that comes with your new Cash App card. Open the package, remove the card, and locate the activation QR code on the card holder. Point your phone's camera at the QR code and let Cash App scan it. Once the code is scanned successfully, your Cash App card will be activated. Follow any remaining on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Cash App may also suggest setting up direct deposit or adding your card to Apple Pay or Google Wallet, which you can do now or skip for later. After activation, your Cash App card is ready to use. You can use it to make purchases anywhere that accepts Visa, withdraw cash from supported ATMs, or use it for online payments. For added security, it's a good idea to keep your Cash App card locked when you're not using it. You can do this by enabling the lock card option in the Cash Card section and simply unlock it whenever you need to make a payment. And that's it. So that's basically how you can activate Cash App Card. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!